Alright, this is Texas storm Landon. Gotta get out here and get my daily swim in. It's gonna be a little chilly. First I might do a little sunbathing. There's a little sun out there, not much. It's overcast, but sun might be peeking through. And I'm very disappointed Sophie did not come out and take my photograph of this. So I'm gonna have to do a selfie as best I can. All right, here we go. Oh, there we go. So that's as far away as I can get that. So there we are. Texas winter storm Landon, February 3rd. Okay, I'll flip it around. One last view of the ocean. The pool. So there you have it.